With clinical psychology, it opens so many doors for you. You can make it your own and make it a personalized experience no matter what you're looking for. This program allows that too, whether you're interested in children, adults, trauma, autism, developmental disabilities. We have the capability to steer our own ship when it comes to clinical psychology and the PsyD program specifically.
This degree provides a lot of flexibility. I would say that it would be ideal for someone who had an interest in mental health and saw that their calling was to help those that might be in need. Because this is the highest level of degree within psychology and it prepares for licensure, it would actually give individuals the opportunity to practice. And so it could be in a private practice, they might teach in, practice in a hospital, it could be a university setting, community mental health. And so our program is really adaptable for those, whether they are coming straight out of undergraduate education or if they've already been in the field for a while and are looking to expand their skills and get a more in-depth training.
So after your program, what are you going to do? That's like the famous question that everybody asks you. And I think that's something that I always say every year, every semester, that changes for me. And that's exactly what it should do in this program, is that you experience new classes, new people, interactions, you know your limits. And that's always going to change, but you're in a field like this where you can adapt and always be changing. And so that career path can always look different.
Anytime you go for a doctorate level degree, you just take the cap off your career. You take the cap off your earning potential. You become your own entity, your own empire. And I feel like anyone who's looking for that type of occupational control should be looking into a doctorate degree.